Leave your troubles at the door. We're moving on a different frequency tonight.
Come on, take my hand.
It's time to step into the groove.
The clock is ticking, but the world can wait. No need to worry about the wheels of fate. You've been running on that 9 to 5. It's time to remember how it feels to be alive.
I see the shadow hiding in your eyes, but there's a feeling that you can't disguise. The bass is heavy and the air is sweet. Let the vibration hit your weary feet.
Oh, feel the temperature begin to rise.
The rhythm's calling under neon skies.
Don't overthink it, just let it flow.
Where we're going, only the music knows. You gotta step into the groove, step on in.
Yeah, let your body make the move.
Don't you wait now. Leave the heavy load behind.
Get the rhythm
On your mind, step into the groove. Oh yeah, let it wash your cares away.
The dance floor's glowing in a shade of blue. The horn section's playing just for you. A velvet motion on a sea of sound.
We're lifting up, we're never coming down. Forget the static on the evening news. We've got a cure for the workday blues.
Just lock your eyes.
Right into mine. We're crossing over to a better time.
Oh, feel the temperature begin to rise.
The rhythm's calling under neon skies.
Don't overthink
that bass line.
That's it.
Just let your body move.